In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer in Notion step by step, so you can visually track deadlines, launches, exams, or any important event right inside your workspace. This is perfect if you use Notion for productivity, project management, or daily planning, and want something more dynamic than just a date. We'll be using a simple embed method, and the best part is it doesn't require any coding at all. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to get a countdown timer link that works with Notion. For this tutorial, we're using a vClock timer. Open your browser and go to a vClock countdown timer page. Once you're there, customize the timer however you like. You can set the exact date and time you're counting down to, choose the style, and make sure it looks the way you want. After you finish setting it up, copy the share or embed link provided by the site. This link is what we'll be placing inside Notion, so make sure it's copied correctly. Next, head over to Notion and open the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. This can be a personal dashboard, a project page, a study planner, or even a team workspace. Click anywhere on the page where you want the timer to be displayed. Notion allows you to embed external content very easily, which is what makes this method work so well. Now type /embed on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Notion will show you a list of block options. From this list, click on Embed. This tells Notion that you want to insert content from an external source using a link. After clicking Embed, a small window will pop up asking for a link. This is where you paste the vClock countdown timer link that you copied earlier. Double-check that the link is correct, then click on the Embed link button. Notion will now load the countdown timer directly inside your page. After a moment, you'll see the live countdown running in real time. You can resize the embed block by dragging the corners, or move it around your page just like any other Notion block. If you're using columns, you can even place it side by side with tasks, notes, or calendars for a clean dashboard layout. One great thing about this method is that the countdown updates automatically. You don't need to refresh anything or manually adjust it. As long as the embedded link is active, the timer will continue counting down accurately. This makes it perfect for tracking launches, deadlines, exams, or even personal goals. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer in Notion using a simple embed link. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.